Dark social traffic sources receive over 4 billion visitors, making up 84% of all social sharing. And this is how to use 4 dark social traffic sources to drive free traffic to your website. So let's start with WhatsApp, Discord, Telegram, and Slack. Open Google in a new window because here's a real quick and easy way to find unlimited dark social traffic sources. And this works even if you're new, if you're a content creator, if you're an affiliate marketer, if you're doing CPA, if you have an e-com store, or if you're a service provider. Okay, in Google, we are going to use a Boolean search to help us find dark social traffic sources. Add the word invite, and I'm going to type in a niche or a keyword. So I'm going to search Google for health groups. And now we have lots of dark social traffic sources to choose from. And then we can rinse and repeat this search for Discord, Telegram, and Slack. Okay, we're going to take a deeper dive in a second, but before we continue, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to tell the algorithm to give you more content like this. You see, according to Media Marketing, 84% of all outbound content sharing happens via dark social channels, and Cognism found that 77% of buyers share links through dark social. So that means your content could be going viral across these dark social channels and you would never even know about it. And it's the type of traffic that converts into buyers. But the good news is you can actually track this type of traffic by using UTM links. And if you want to know more about that, then tell me in the comments and I'll go ahead and make that content for you. But dark social marketing is not perfect. It has some potential issues. You see, there's a high risk of entering spammy or low quality groups, and some of the communities might be dead or off topic or just inactive. Okay, with that in mind, WhatsApp is obviously one of the biggest dark social traffic sources around, with more than 3 billion visitors. So it makes perfect sense to start here. But WhatsApp is a relationship building channel. It's not an advertising channel. So with that in mind, here are 6 WhatsApp directories to help you find more dark social traffic. And they all sound kind of similar, so I'll put the URLs on the screen. First one is whatsagroupslinks.com. 2 is whatsgrouplink.com. Next we have whatslinkhub.com. Then m3orbs.com/groups.php. Next we have whatsgrouplink.com, and then whatsgroupalink.com. And you can also create your own WhatsApp group and then promote it on these directories. So next, let's take a look at driving dark social web traffic from Discord. Discord is a perfect dark social marketing channel because it has over 500 million visitors. It's easy to use, and every niche you can think of is already represented here. Here are 4 directories to help you find free traffic opportunities. The first is called disboard.org. So just type in your niche or your keywords and hit return, then scroll down to the server you'd like to join and click join. Next we have discord.me, and this works in exactly the same way. Type in your keyword and then hit join. Next is top.gg. It works in a slightly different way. So after you've searched for your keywords, click on the Discord servers tab and then scroll down and join your chosen servers. Next is discordservers.com. Just type in your keyword and then you'll get more information about each server before joining. And again, you can create your own Discord server and share it on these directories and have your audience come to you. Okay. Another powerful dark social traffic source is Telegram. Telegram gets over 400 million visitors and is great for dark social marketing because it creates private, high engagement spaces, and your link will spread organically through trust instead of algorithms. And here's a couple of ways to find Telegram channels. The first way is to use telegramchannels.me. So just search for your niche, scroll down and select a channel that resonates with you. Then click on that and get more information and decide. Next is tgdr.io, it works in exactly the same way. So just search and choose the one that's right for you. And one of the most overlooked dark social marketing channels is Slack. Slack receives over 100 million visitors, and it's an effective dark social traffic source because it has hundreds of communities for almost every niche. And to find Slack communities, we can use slowfile.com. So just search for your keyword or your chosen category and join a relevant community. We also have standuply.com/slack-chat-groups. So just choose your area of interest, scroll down and choose the community you'd like to join. But the more traffic you get, the more money you make. So to see how one of my students used my traffic methods to make over $2 million online, click the link in the description or go to profitcopilot.com/traffic. Thanks for being here. See you next time.